are going to see what is fill pattern. Just drop down this menu and see it is fill pattern. So how to use this fill pattern command and pattern your any cutout or any object. So let's see. So just select fill pattern. A window appeared here. This is structure, this 3D model we created in our last lecture. Now we will see what is fill pattern. So here first you have to select your boundary. You have to select a boundary within within that you can insert your pattern. So first time we will select this whole body, this surface, top surface. Then there are 4 types of layouts: perforation, circular, rectangle, or like this polygon. And these are the points: instant spacing, then degree, then the margin or gap between 2 patterns. Now we selected this. Now select your feature to pattern. Select your pattern. So just drag down, select this cutout. See, we selected our cutout, and we perforation part layout we selected. Now select circular. See, it's changing its position. Rectangle, see, polygon, rectangle. Here you can change the spacing. See, you can increase or decrease your spacing as per your requirement. So just select this one, select OK. Now see, your pattern is ready. We created with the help of a simple tool we created our pattern. See, it is very useful tool. Now just delete it, right click, delete. And we will select one new boundary. So select this top sketch, top plane, sketch, choose oblong. Okay, now exit from the plane. Now we will insert our pattern within this boundary. So just drag down this menu, select fill pattern, and choose this oblong as a boundary. See, and select our pattern. Drop down this, select cut, extrude. Now this spacing decrease. Now see, this is our pattern coming here. You can select anything, whatever suitable for you. Select OK. Now see, our pattern is sketched in within the boundary. So this is the fill pattern, very useful and very handsome tool in SolidWorks. I hope you like these videos.